kind of scared to start today for some reason. तो ये कुछ ऐसा मंदिर है. Literally walking into the unknown because I don't see anyone. I slept for some time. I woke up and
Welcome to the third day of my solo journey to Annapurna Base
it's
Camp.
5:45 right now. These are the views. It's so cloudy right now. I think I'll get ready in some time and start walking. The goal is to push till ABC today if possible. If the weather is not good, then I'll stay somewhere in between. In this weather. That was the stay. I have started from Upper Doan. It's 7:30 right now, and weather is not good. It's all foggy today, so I'm kind of scared to start today for some reason. Oh my god. I don't know if that was for rescuing or people actually wanted to come down. Let's see. But in any case, I'm starting from Upper Doan, and yeah, today morning I mean there were so many different opinions in the morning. कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे go only up till Devrali and stay there and then tomorrow go to ABC. Some people were like go to MBC, start at 3 to see the sunrise in ABC and then climb down. Some people are like yeah, you can push till ABC. Some were like even if you push till ABC you won't get the stay there. So it's all, I don't know, I'm very scared to start today for some reason. So based on everyone's suggestion, from Upper Doan to Himalaya is 1.5 hours. From Himalaya to Devrali it's 2.5 hours. From there to MBC it's another 2 hours, and from MBC to ABC it's again 2 hours. Let's see till what point I can reach. I am not going to stretch. I think I'll decide based on the weather, my condition, because I'll gain altitude today, so it's going to be a bit difficult. In any case, I've taken time off, half time off in the morning. So let's see. It's cold. It's very cold. The road is like this. It's completely in forest. Nice. तो जब तुम ट्रैक कर रहे हो तो ऐसे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स दिखेंगे from where you can fill up your bottle. The trick is to have aqua tabs with you, जो water purifying tablets है, so that it will be easier. मतलब पहाड़ों का पानी है वैसे तो अच्छा होता है, but still ग्लेशियर का है, कहाँ से आ रहा है पता नहीं है. If you have all these doubts, keep aqua tabs with you. It's much easier because as you climb up, the rates for even one single water bottle, they are too high. So if you have your own bottle, you can fill up the water and put aqua tabs into it. 1 liter के लिए 1 tab is enough, and yeah, you have your water. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm scared, but I'm happy. The board before you enter Himalayan region. I've entered Himalayan region. From here it's 1 hour. These are the views on the way. तो जैसे हिमालय रीजन में आप एंटर करते हो, you see this one temple in the middle of the valley. तो ये कुछ ऐसा मंदिर है There's another temple here. शिव जी की एक फोटो दिख रही है. हर हर महादेव. The never ending stairs. They started. The best thing about ABC. So I started from Doan. I'm going towards Himalaya. I met at least 20 people. Out of them, like 3-4 groups were there. From each group, everyone was like, "Oh, you're doing it solo?" I'm like, "Yeah." They're like, "We are very proud of you. Kudos to you. You have got guts. You're very bold." I've got so many comments and so many compliments, and I think that's motivation to reach at least Himalaya. But this is the path, by the way. What kind of confusion is this? The arrow says here, but the steps are here. Where do I go? Took the steps. There are a lot, but I thought I can rely on steps rather than the path. So yeah, I came from here. Literally walking into the unknown because I don't see anyone on the road, and I'm not even sure if this is the path or not. Now, okay. I think the other road was this, and okay, I think this is the right route because then, okay, this is the road and this is from where I came, and I think they meet here. So, okay. Now I'm a bit confident, otherwise I was freaking out. There was no one on the path and I was like, shit, what if I get lost? Oh. Da, 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 da. Da, da. No views, bro. No views. इतना सुंदर व्यू लगता, but the weather is so foggy right now. Like, I actually can't see anything. I mean, I can see a little bit of mountains there, but damn it, the weather is so foggy right now. Maybe on my way back. See, can you see the mountains there? Like, a little. Says I've reached Himalaya. It's 9 o'clock. 1.5 hours. So I've reached Himalaya. You can see the board. Himalaya 2,900 meters. This is the board, and yeah, you can see the homestays. So I started at 7:30. It's precisely 8:51 right now, 9 o'clock. So yeah, with all the breaks and all, it took me 1.5 hours to reach Himalaya from Upper Doan. Half time walks in the morning, and मुझे पता था कि one of the side effects is that you have to pee a lot, but oh my god, yes, it's true. When you take Dimox, be ready to pee a lot. Also, for some reason I am feeling a bit dizzy, so I think I'll have to keep drinking water and take it slow. Yeah, I'm going to take it slow today. I am feeling dizzy. I'm 10 and I'm starting from the Himalayas now. This is the way. Okay, so this is something new. They have this board saying next place Devrali. Number of lodge 5. I think earlier it was 4, now it's 5. I'm in Himalaya right now. So yeah, a little update. From Upper Doan to Himalaya, it's all climb. There is flat road beach mein, but other than that it's all climb. Look at the flowers. It's the tree. From Himalaya to Devrali, you get these small steps. Not that big in height, but yeah, it's all steps till These are the stairs. These are the stairs. And this is me. This is on the way to देवराली from. अभी just सूरज निकला है, थोड़ी धूप आई है and the weather is clearing up I think, क्योंकि fog थोड़ा कम दिख रहा है. Let's see. So this is on the way to Devrali. You climb this, you come here and you see this. There's a warning here that we have to cross the river, so we have to cross it without stopping in between, and because there is possibility of avalanche and flood due to weather, which makes sense because look at the weather. It's all very foggy and windy. So that's Devrali.
Sorry.
And this is the river. No, it's okay. You're not in the frame. Yeah. So that's Devrali. So this is the river that you have to cross. Yeah. From there. Let's cross the river. They said you have to cross it without stopping. Yeah, let's go. I think the flow is less right now. I wish this was hot spring. I would have jumped. Done, but that's the route till Devrali. There's no view, and I think I've reached Devrali. There, almost there. 10 minutes. That's Devrali. Yeah. If you're trekking, you need to look at your pace. It doesn't matter who's crossing you, how many people are going ahead of you. Just follow your own pace, because oh my god, it's so difficult. But the views are nice. Oh my god, this feels like an achievement. I reached Devrali. Okay, look at the weather. It wasn't easy to reach here. Shit. I reached Devrali. Look at the board. Okay. 2 hours from here is MBC. Now it even started raining, so I'll have my lunch here. But oh my god, the feeling is... It was so tough. Shit. It's 10:43 by the way. 10:45. So yeah, it took me 1 hour 45 minutes to reach Devrali from Himalaya. But reached. The famous Himalayan pizza for lunch today. Huh? I'm from Pune. Pineapple on pizza was okay, but people are putting honey on pizza.
Wait and taste and see.
Hey. Crazy. Crazy. Yes, this is mushroom pizza and I'm putting honey on it. Because some people said it tastes nice. Purti said it tastes nice.
Oh, yeah, I did.
It's okay. It's okay. I am ready, but it won't stop raining. It's been 2 hours now that it's raining continuously. Oh, they have a map here with timings and also from where you can start, how you can go. So, yeah, I started from Jinu, Chomrong, Sunwa, Bamboo, Doan, Himalaya. Now I'm at Devrali. I have to reach MBC. It's so cold. It's raining continuously, and I was told that till MBC the road is like you'll die, and I have to cross a river as well. Let's see what happens. As of now, look at the visibility. There's no visibility, but let's see. The river that we need to cross is from here. That was the river. That was the river. And apparently now the difficult phase starts. I won't be able to shoot because now it's raining very heavily. So yeah. Oh, there's one more bridge. The road from Devrali to MBC is like this. As in, there's no road. But unpopular opinion, this is my take on the road. I like this road better than the stairs. So yeah, it's apparently 3 hours from here or from Devrali. So let's see. And the elevation gain is around 500 meters, and the entire road is this. So I prefer this compared to the steps, like in general also. So I'm guessing 3 hours of what I like. It will be exhausting, but it's okay. They said it's going to be slippery, but then I came. I have to cross that bridge. Can you see this bridge? I have to cross. Still raining. You can't see me, you can't see the views, but they're pretty. I think. I mean, it's all foggy, but see, it's all foggy. But there's a river here. So nice. The bridge was here only. So I'll cross the bridge and then I'll keep my phone. It's 3:30, 3:20 actually. I reach MBC. The weather is still. I think I'm going to stay here. The room I got is a dormitory. अभी तक कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's just me. It is for 2200 package में. I think it's okay. It's so cold. It's so cold. Fuck. I slept for some time. I woke up and snowfall. Shit. It's gonna be so cold. I'm staying at Machapuchare guest house. Crazy. Food at MBC. and it's
After dinner, I straight away went to bed because कल सुबह 3 बजे start करना था for the summit. Tomorrow it will be a journey towards Annapurna Base Camp and back to the base. See you in the next vlog. Okay, bye.